I think it's
But Najmuddin is there? Because I am not aware of this. I don't know what it is. Because the site team has to reply either they are aware about this where the disposal area is.
approved landfill site.
And second is necessary landfill site and necessary
Permission and obtain.
and necessary NOCs.
Obtain necessary
NOCs being obtained from
different authority, from relevant authority.
From authorities. Because when you say outside, it's not only the first thing is you have to take municipality.
Of course.
The municipality approve the site location, then based on that you what are the material EAD will approve that approve.
Remove. From site. From site is disposed of to the approved landfill site, landfill area. And obtain necessary NOCs from the relevant authority, including ADNO. This is a very important. This is contractor, right? Or company?
Contractor.
This is very.
During this page, we are not normally other place. That we company define that you dispose of here.
Yeah.
Within that, not within that.
Yeah.
In this case, it is not within that. That is sure.
It may go outside.
It is outside that. So we ask contractor to search area
and suggest. Yeah. I think it's very important. Let us keep it. Very important because this will be a little challenge for us, and probably you must have some information.
Because when you start portrait this project, definitely you have searched something. Because definitely you will not go.
This is the first thing. This is the first thing you do. This is the first thing you do. Yeah. I think let us keep it. So other than that, I don't expect any hazardous waste.
Here.
Only oil contaminated.
Oil drum we are seeing oil drum will there be not being any oil.
But they may use some oil grease during maintenance. So this is hazardous.
You can say no additional concern because we don't want to for 1 liter oil we have to create all this facility.
But filter will be there, batteries will be there during construction.
Just check either you are having this one.
So hazardous. If you read.
Yeah.
So I'm saying general work activity for maintenance and facility, hazardous waste like equipment, own equipment, spare parts, including the batteries, oil filters, waste. I think you may have something. You may have something for maintenance. Let us keep it. Waste generation during the maintenance.
Soil. It will go in soil.
The plan, this will be applicable. Existing company rational plan is there.
No.
I think this will go. Waste was generated as per the approved site. This is correct. The approved ESP. I don't know what is this. So this will remove all waste generated absorb will be removed. Existing storage area.
WMPS. So due to answer this,
sorry, I was disconnecting from the internet. Sorry.
What are you saying?
can you repeat?
This is Amr. I have disconnected from the internet. I don't know what happened.
Your voice is a little echoing.